want to play hide and seek?
Yeah, but where do we play?
We can play inside the house. There are lots of rooms to hide in.
That's right. What's the biggest room in your house?
The living room. There is a sofa, a television, and a big carpet. It's where I spend most of my time with my family.
We sit on the sofa in the evening and watch movies together. In the kitchen.
The kitchen is next to the living room. It's where Mom cooks and where we all eat together.
In my house, we also have a dining room with a big table.
Nice! I eat in the kitchen instead of the dining room.
How many bedrooms are there in your house?
3. There's my bedroom, my parents' bedroom, and another one for my grandparents when they come to visit.
I have 4 bedrooms. There is mine, my parents, one for my brother, and one for my sister.
In my room, I have a bed, a wardrobe, a desk, and lots of books.
I also have a small carpet and lots of toys.
And a bathroom? In my house, there are 2. One next to my room and one next to my parents' room.
We have 3. In my bathroom, there's a shower, a sink, and a giant mirror.
Do you also have a garage at your house?
Yes, my dad keeps his car there. And there are also the bikes and some tools.
In my house, we also have an attic. It's full of boxes and old toys.
How nice! I have a cellar where we put things we don't use often, as well as bottles of oil and wine.
And you also have a big garden.
Yes, in the garden I have a swing and lots of flowers. I like to play there when it's sunny.
My garden is smaller than yours. I grow tomatoes and strawberries there.
How nice! Your strawberries are delicious. You could make jam with them.
That's true. But now, shall we start playing?
Yes, I count and you hide.